Today let's talk about what you can do to help someone who is really feeling the festive pressure. So we're heading into December, so you are going to be dealing with having to go to busy shops, possibly going to lots of events, lots of parties, dealing with family and friends. Sometimes people might have had a little bit of a drink in them, or they might be feeling a bit edgy because they feel stressed. You might go to the shops and you're fighting over the last turkey with people. There are so many reasons why people get stressed. So what you can do with this little non-oil massage focused on your neck and shoulders is just help someone to just take the pressure down, because even though it should be a lovely time of year and a fun time of year, sometimes with all the stress that's involved, you can find that someone close to you can really feel as if it's getting too much for them. If that person is you, then make sure that you show somebody this video and say, could you just do me a favour and just take 5 minutes just to take this stress down in me? And honestly, you'll be so glad that you did. It just takes a couple of minutes. So someone's really feeling the pressure. They've maybe been the Christmas shopping, been the food shopping, and it's just been nothing but fights in the supermarket. And honestly, their shoulders are up at their ears. They are so stressed. So get them in a chair, and if you want, they might not want to talk. If they don't want to talk, just say to them, close your eyes, shush, and just let me take that pressure down. So we don't even need any oil. You can just put your hands on them and just say to them, right, let's relax. So get them to breathe. So get them to take a nice deep breath in, if they can, through their nose. Big deep breath in, you can do that just now. And then either out through their nose or out through their mouth. And just through doing that, they can start to de-stress. And what you can do is you're actually putting a little bit of pressure on their shoulders with your hands. If you want, you can take it down to your elbows, but we've not warmed up the area yet, so don't put all of your body weight on. But you can just encourage them, if you like, with every breath in and out, just to take those shoulders down. If they've had a bit of a situation and someone's really irritated them, it could be, again, a party, maybe work, it's getting to the busiest time, then you can get them to talk about it while you're just warming up their shoulders. So all you have to do is just almost like scoop your hands out and just do this. That's all you have to do. Just do that. And you're just warming everything up. It's not effleurage, but it's not a million miles away. You're just squeezing and releasing, and you're just taking that pressure out. So maybe something's really wound them up at work. Maybe they've had that big fight in the shop. Maybe they went to pick up an order in one of the shops and the order wasn't there, and the people are saying, oh, the system's lost it. We all know how that feels. So if they're just raging and fuming, then just warm up and loosen their shoulders, and you can take it right down into the arms. And all you're doing is just taking the pressure away. If they want to talk, let them talk. Just nod and say, that's terrible. Yep, I get it, totally. If they don't want to talk and they don't even want music on, then just do this in the silence. They might breathe, but you can tell when you're getting them to do the deep breathing that they're still really irritated. So maybe just get them to do it once or twice, and then you can say, right, that'll do. And then let them just relax. But you're not even doing effleurage, you're literally just squeezing and releasing. Now, I'm doing this quite fast just now, but you know I do this in other videos. Maybe you need to start fast, and then when they calm down, start to slow it down. So I'm going to do the same movement, but really slow. And look at that. So that person might have been really tense and really stressed and really irritated, and I might have started fast. And look what's happened. Look at the difference. I feel calmer just doing this. Same move, slowed down. Can you imagine how you would feel if it was you that was really wound up? And this is what you're doing. You're just calming everything down, settling it down, soothing that person. You're soothing the tissues, you're soothing the muscles, and by default, you can be soothing their mood. And if you want, you can just very gently take that up the neck. And this is all you have to do. You don't have to do much else. Now, if you want though, you can scoop. So remember, you take the hand and you're scooping, basically following the mold of the shoulder. You're just scooping along. You're making sure that there's not a gap there. So you can do that. Fingers are just supporting on the collarbone. You can then change the scoop into just keeping the fingers there and just using the thumbs to release. But again, I can do it fast or I can do it slow. And I think when you're trying to take the pressure down for someone, by all means, if you want to start it fast just to get into their rhythm, but then slow it down and it will slow them down. And you might find that they go from chatting 10 miles an hour to slowing down their chat, to stopping chatting, and you might even see the little head start to go because they just start to ease off all the tension and just stop feeling really irritated. And look, we're slowing it down even more. Everything just starts to calm down. And you can even use the knuckles. I'm supporting with the thumbs here and I'm using the knuckles on that area. You know, I always say avoid the spine, so we're just avoiding down the middle here, just no-go area, but then we can work around it. Use those knuckles. Again, you probably feel if someone's had a really bad either day or trip out or event or work experience or family phone call, you name it, the shoulders will probably be rock solid because they'll be on the defensive. So your job is just to can't fix it, but you can certainly take the levels down. The knuckles just up the neck, into the ears, behind the ears. It gets a little bit bony around here, so you're guided by that. When it starts to get bony, you know to stop. But you can feel the muscle here and you can apply a firm pressure. Just don't apply too hard a pressure because that's a delicate area. So firm but not intense. And if someone pulls away from you or you can feel them tensing up, it might not feel enjoyable even if they don't say it. And you know that we can support just on the forehead. So take your hand to the forehead and then you can scoop on the neck. And the reason why you're supporting the forehead is just to make sure that their head's not flapping about all over the place. But again, you're using that same scooping movement and you're just scooping from the base of the neck up to the hairline. And that can be really relaxing. And then take your knuckles, just place them on the neck for support, either side of the spine and the neck, follow the hairline, thumb circles. Relax them. And the reason why I'm saying this is December should be fun, but for a lot of people, for a lot of reasons, it's not always fun. And sometimes it's mostly fun, but there are certain situations where they just get a little bit stressed. And honestly, it can be something as simple as the supermarket, or it could be that you work in the supermarket and it's actually the customers. There are so many different reasons why sometimes moments in December can just get the best of you, but just try and remember what it's all about and no, it's not buying presents and spending lots of money. It's actually meant to be if you want it to be the religious aspect or the family aspect or the getting together or the celebration, it's whatever you want it to be, but the commercialization should be the last thing on the list. But again, I'm saying that, and then there'll be some shop owners who are working for themselves and really struggling, and they'll say, actually, the commercialization is what gets me through and supports me for the year. So I get it. But for all those different reasons, it can be very stressful. And then if someone feels as if they've had a rotten time and they've been shouted at or it's just been too loud for them, so many different reasons, the ears, very delicate, very sensitive. Just remember we've said this before, almost like you're crumbling a stock cube. Just very gently work up the ears in that motion. Very gently, because you don't want to tug at the ears. But that can feel really good too if someone feels as if their senses have just been assaulted. So something just as simple as that can really help. And then if you want to, I'll link you to one of the head massage videos and you can spend a bit of time doing some head massage, but I know if I do that at the moment, you won't be able to see it very well. So honestly, I would say if someone needs your help because they just feel incredibly stressed, or if you're the one that needs help, because December is not always fun. Then do something as simple as this. You don't need oil, you don't need a treatment bed, you don't need anything apart from to sit in a chair and someone to very kindly just loosen those muscles and either listen to you or appreciate that they just want you to do this and they don't want to speak. That's all it takes. But I get it. We've all been there in some shape or form. We've either been the one in the chair or we've been the one doing it for the person in the chair. We've all been there. So let me know how you tend to find December goes for you. Is it fun? Is it relaxing? Is it your busiest time of year? Do you have to handle crazy customers or family that drives you bananas? We all know how it feels in some shape or form. I'd love to know. Have a great day and I'll see you again soon.